Got a new project for the new tractor to make it a little bit more user-friendly. So what we did today is we put hooks on the bucket. Now on my last tractor I had a John Deere 1026R, and with that I had the same size 5/16 inch style weld-on hooks, and I welded them directly on the bucket. And I used that for 710 hours till the day I sold it, and I never had an issue. Never bent the bucket, never bent the loader arms, never beat hard on the equipment to the where I was worried about it. And I didn't have an issue. Now, this is not a 1026R. It's a heavier tractor. It has higher lift capacities, and the material of the bucket does not seem significantly heavier or different than the John Deere bucket, but it's wider, and again, the capacity is in the weight. So we did not weld on the 5/16 inch style directly to the bucket. Some people do. It might work. I opted not. I finally did the bolt-on style with the backer plate. So before I get too far, why 5/16? It's a bigger tractor. Why not go bigger hook? Well, we're not going to max out the capacities, but sometimes you want a chain, a light chain for a light project. Quarter inch chain works perfectly in there, right? No issues with the 5/16 inch hook. Want a larger chain? As you can tell, this one's been used and abused by an old Farmall H. This is a 3/8 inch chain. No problem with the 5/16 inch hook. That chain will be more than this tractor will ever lift. Okay, so that explains why 5/16 inch style hooks. So what I did is I did do a bolt-on and it welded on a plate, so ended up getting a 4-inch by 2.5 inch, which is the size of up on top. We drilled it out, drilled the bucket out, and we made a backer plate. So if lighting will show or allow it to see, it's a little hard to focus because the bright light's in the garage. But we've got the top plate that's welded and burned into, and then we have the same size plate, exact same layout with grade 8 hardware, and that should do the trick. So kind of think these tractor companies, there's probably a reason why they don't, but it sure would be nice if they did this factory already, because it is super handy to have hooks on the bucket. And I did not opt to put them out here, and that's quite a ways on a 72 inch bucket from the center. So that's what we did today. Thought I'd share it. Why not? Take care, guys.